I got a super duper surprise for you. I will be giving away a free GoPro Hero 7 when my YouTube channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. You're probably wondering why I'm going to give away this free GoPro Hero 7. It's because I want to say thanks to everybody who's been watching my videos. Now, I've been looking into YouTube analytics and I've noticed that the age group 18 to 25 has been watching my videos more than any other age group. And with that, I would like to say thank you to everybody who's been watching my videos. Now, the important thing is that age group from 18 to 25 might not have the means to buy the equipment to help create videos. People in my age group have the monetary funds to buy a GoPro Hero 7, so I'm not really going for the people that can buy the GoPro Hero 7 themselves, but that doesn't exclude them. One of the reasons why I want to give away this GoPro Hero 7 is I want to kind of grow a community of people who, want to make videos and kind of put some content out there. All I gotta say is I hope you win, and thank you for watching my YouTube content. It's going to be pretty exciting to see who wins this GoPro Hero 7, and I look forward to seeing what type of videos you make. Anybody can enter this contest. All you got to do is go to Traferral.com, register. I'll put a link in the bottom of this video, and tell as many people as you want. Pretty much we'll be giving away this GoPro Hero 7 when my YouTube channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. Why go to Traferral.com? I want to let everybody know that Traferral.com is a website that allows millennials or anybody to make money with travel and tourism by simply sharing links to different tours and activities. If anybody clicks on the links and buy something, then you make money. I'm giving away this GoPro Hero 7 as a thanks for reaching 1,000 subscribers, but also encouraging everybody to visit Traferral.com and find out more information about the website that I made that helps content creators, millennials, earn real revenue from travel and tourism. I just want to say thanks for watching my videos. It's been fun. I got a lot of videos I like to make and put on there. I look forward to giving away this GoPro Hero 7 to some lucky person out there. Can't wait to see how that affects you. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the real world.